Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on your EA account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ea.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official EA website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, then you can click on the account icon at the top right corner. You will now see the sign in button. Click on sign in and you will be taken into the login portal. Now in case you have forgotten your password, you can always click on the forgot your password or need to create a new one option. Once you click on this, you will be asked to enter your EA ID or your email address that you have used while signing up. After entering your email address or your EA ID, enter the text that you see underneath in order to verify your identity. Then click on the next button and you will be asked to verify your identity. Click on send code and then log into your email account associated with your EA ID. You will then find the verification code sent by EA. Just enter this code within the given box and click on the next button. You will now be allowed to enter your desired new password. Go ahead and type in the password that you wish to set for your account and then click on the submit button. Once you click on submit, your password will successfully be changed on your EA account and you will now be able to use this newly set password along with your original email address to log into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on your EA ID. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.